Have you ever felt that knot in your stomach just thinking about money? Or avoid checking your bank account because you were scared of what you were going to see? If so, you're not alone. Today, I will show you how to rewire your brain for wealth and finally break free from financial anxiety. Did you know that by age 35, 95% of who we are is a set of memorized habits, beliefs, and emotional reactions? Most of our daily routines, from how we check our phones to how we handle money, run on autopilot. We want to be financially free, but our subconscious keeps us stuck in old patterns. Think about your morning. You grab your phone, check WhatsApp, scroll through emails, maybe peek at the news, then you follow the same routine. Get out of bed, coffee, shower, drive to work the same way, see the same people. It's all a program. And when it comes to money, we often repeat the same habits, even if they don't serve us. Welcome to the Money Minded Co. If you're new here, hit subscribe and join our community of people taking control of their money and their mindset. We're all about practical tips, honest conversations, and building wealth with intention. Here's the thing. Most people wait for a crisis before they change. They wait for job loss, a health scare, or a financial emergency. But you don't have to wait for pain or trauma to start building a better financial future. You can choose to change from a place of inspiration instead of desperation. Right now, more and more people are waking up to the idea that they can control their financial story. If you're not being defined by visions of the future, you're living by memories of the past. I know it's hard. Financial anxiety is more common than you think. Surveys show that money is the #1 source of stress for most people, even more than work or relationships. It's not just about having enough money. Sometimes it's triggered by feeling unprepared or not fully understanding financial terms, or just general anxiety. The most common reaction, unfortunately, is avoidance. If you don't look at your finances, you can pretend that the problem isn't there, but avoidance only makes things worse. I've been there too. There was a time where I didn't check my bank balance for weeks, just hoping that things would magically improve. But the anxiety only grew. It wasn't until I faced my finances head on that things started to change. And if I can do it, you can do it too. So here's a quick 4-step guide on breaking the cycle. #1, make a plan. Identify what's causing your anxiety. Is it debt, lack of income, or fear of the future? Write it down and create a simple plan. Just having a plan reduces anxiety. #2, expose yourself to financial knowledge. Avoidance keeps you stuck. Try reading one financial article a day or learning a new money term. The more you know, the less you'll fear. #3, think positive. I know it's cliche, but your mind is actually way stronger than you think. Believe you can overcome your anxiety. Negative self-talk only fuels the cycle. Write down your worries and when you feel them. Acknowledging them is the first step in taking control. #4, relaxation techniques. Financial stress affects your body too. Trust me. From someone who puts their body under physical stress 5 times a week at the gym, the financial anxiety I used to get was actually more severe. Try meditation or deep breathing, yoga, or anything you think might help you calm your mind and body. Next is budgeting. A budget isn't just a record of where your money went. It's actually a tool to tell your money where to go, whether you earn a little or a lot. Budgeting gives you clarity and control. And don't worry if you don't get it right the first month. It's normal to need a few tries to figure out what works for you. And a quick tip that helped me in the past is set aside 10 minutes each week to review your spending. Small, regular check-ins are less overwhelming and they help you stay on track. Now, let's talk about the elephant in the room. Debt. Debt can feel like a heavy burden. While there's debate about good debt and bad debt, most people feel lighter and freer when they owe less. Reducing debt is one of the best ways to reduce financial anxiety. If you're struggling with debt, start by listing everything you owe. Then pick one debt to focus on, maybe the smallest balance or the highest interest rate, and celebrate those wins, no matter how small. Now here's 5 tips to rewire your money mindset. Shift your perspective. Focus on abundance and solutions, not fear and scarcity. Improve your psychology of money. Reflect on your beliefs and emotions about money, and challenge the ones that hold you back. Prioritize your mental wealth. If anxiety is overwhelming, seek support. You are not alone. Separate self-worth from net worth. Your value isn't defined by your bank balance or your possessions. Take responsibility. Stop blaming others or circumstances. Taking ownership is empowering and the first step to change. Changing your financial life is like tending a garden. You have to get rid of the old weeds, which is the limiting beliefs. You have to clear the rocks, which are the emotional blocks. And you have to make space for new growth. The more you practice new habits and thoughts, the more natural they become. Remember, you're not just breaking old habits, you're building a new future. Every small step counts. Financial anxiety is common, but let's be real, it doesn't have to control your life. If you found this helpful, please consider giving this video a like and sharing it with a friend if you care about them, and subscribing for more practical money tips. And remember, stay money-minded.